Welcome back to our channel, Manufacturing Insights. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: decentralization and budgeting in manufacturing. In this complete guide, we'll dive into the importance of decentralization and how it can revolutionize budgeting processes within manufacturing organizations. Before we delve into the specifics, let's first understand what decentralization means in the context of manufacturing. Decentralization is the distribution of decision-making authority across various levels within an organization. In the manufacturing industry, this means empowering individuals and teams at different levels to make decisions related to budgeting and resource allocation. Now, let's explore why decentralization is essential for manufacturing companies. First and foremost, decentralization promotes faster decision-making. By distributing decision-making authority, companies can respond swiftly to market changes, customer demands, and unforeseen challenges. This agility is crucial in today's dynamic manufacturing landscape. One of the critical areas where decentralization has a significant impact is budgeting. Traditional centralized budgeting can be cumbersome and slow, often leading to inefficiencies and missed opportunities. However, decentralization can transform this process by involving individuals and teams who are closer to the ground reality. Decentralized budgeting has several benefits. Firstly, it allows for more accurate budgeting, as individuals with first-hand knowledge of the manufacturing processes can provide valuable insights and inputs. This helps in better forecasting, cost control, and resource allocation. To gain a deeper understanding of how decentralization and budgeting work hand in hand, let's hear from an industry expert. I have with me today John Thompson, a seasoned production manager who has successfully implemented decentralized budgeting in his organization. Thank you for joining us today. Can you share some insights into how decentralization has transformed budgeting in your manufacturing organization? Absolutely. Decentralized budgeting has been a game changer for us. By involving our teams on the shop floor, we've gained a better understanding of our cost drivers, identified areas of waste, and optimized our resource allocation. The increased accountability at different levels has led to more responsible spending and improved overall financial performance. That's fascinating, John. It's clear that decentralization empowers employees and fosters a culture of ownership. But are there any challenges that manufacturing organizations may face when implementing decentralized budgeting? Certainly, there can be challenges. One common hurdle is ensuring effective communication and coordination among teams. It's crucial to establish clear guidelines and channels for collaboration to ensure everyone is aligned with the organization's goals. Additionally, some individuals may require training or upskilling to handle the additional responsibilities that come with decentralized budgeting. Great insights. Overcoming these challenges is vital for successful implementation. Now, let's discuss some practical steps that manufacturing organizations can take to embrace decentralization and optimize their budgeting processes. Step 1. Define clear objectives and expectations for each team or individual involved in the budgeting process. This helps in aligning everyone's efforts towards common goals. Step 2. Foster a culture of trust and open communication. Encourage collaboration among teams and provide platforms for sharing ideas, insights, and feedback. This builds a sense of ownership and promotes innovation. Step 3. Leverage technology. Implementing automation and using software tools can streamline the budgeting process, provide real-time data, and enable better decision-making. In conclusion, decentralization and budgeting go hand in hand in the manufacturing industry. Embracing decentralization empowers employees, promotes agility, and leads to better financial performance. By following practical steps and overcoming challenges, manufacturing organizations can unlock the full potential of decentralized budgeting. That's all for today's guide on decentralization and budgeting in manufacturing. I hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.